And then what does the Lord do after that? After Snan Yatra, then he displays this lila of becoming sick, of getting a cold. And then he extends his mercy again to a whole class of people. Ordinarily, he's worshipped by the Nambudri Brahmins. Nambudri Brahmins are actually just coming from Shankar's line. Nambudri from South India. They do most of the puja. Most of the pujaris in Jagannath are actually coming Shankar Sampradaya. Very few Vaishnavas. It's kind of interesting. But at any rate, during this time, from Snan Yatra to Rath Yatra, there's a special class of pujaris. Who are they? Pig farmers. A pig farmer, in other words, someone who takes care of pigs. Who's a pig? What do we call that in India? It's called a bungi, no? So for this 2 weeks, called Anavasara, when Lord Jagannath goes in seclusion with Lakshmi Devi and pretends to be sick, he is exclusively worshipped by the descendants of the Shabaras. The Shabaras. The Shabaras are the Adivasis of Puri. Shabaras. And they live in the jungle. Nilachila mountains. And they take care of pigs. They keep pigs. But among the Shabaras, there is a group of pure behaving class. There's a type of Brahminical class among the Shabaras. And they are called the Shabara Dayata Pati. Shabara Dayata Pati. What does Dayata mean? Dayita means those persons who have received the mercy of Krishna. Shabara Dayata Pati. So this particular section of the Shabara class, they're considered to be the Brahmins. And they exclusively do the puja to Lord Jagannath. No one else is allowed to do the puja. No one else can touch the deity or handle or bathe the deity. So for these 2 weeks, Bhagavan, the Murti of Bhagavan, is taking service from the descendants of the pig farmers.